What's up everyone, and welcome back to the Owl's Nest. Today's video we are going to go into the Johnson City Mall, see what they got at Hot Topic and Box Lunch. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we are back with another video. Today we are going to the mall. We're going to go and see if we can find some stuff. I'm actually looking for the My Hero mystery mini, so hopefully we can get our hands on a few of those. I do have a case coming, however, so I probably only want to get like 4 maybe. I don't know if they even have any. Hopefully there is some new pops as well, because that would be pretty cool to actually get that on camera. And yeah, let's just go make it a thing. Like I said, Box Lunch and Hot Topic. Was really a quick video. I know I started it and within like 40 seconds to a minute it's already done. Alright, so we went to not GameStop, but Hot Topic, as you can see right there, and I was looking around. Ricky went in first. I parked, I came in, we was looking around and they asked if they could help us. I was like, alright, do you have any of the My Hero mystery minis? And as I was talking to him, he was actually bringing the cases out. So they did get 2 cases in. I have a case coming, so I don't really want to buy too much, but
did anyway.
We did anyways. I ended up buying 7 total. I bought 4 from Hot Topic, and I bought 3 more from Box Lunch. So we're going to head and crack them. But before we do that, we're going to crack this first, because this is like the new craze. What's it called? Mini brands. It's pretty cool. But mini brands, I want to let Ricky go ahead and crack that. So if you've never opened one of these mini brands, this is what it looks like right here. I think how many did we open? Just 1? I thought we opened a couple. But that's what it looks like right there. I'm going to let Ricky open it, because
you have to help me.
That's her thing. That's what she does. Oh, so it just opens like an orange.
Yeah, it slices.
Alright, so it opens like a slice of an orange. Pretty cool. It's like an orange slice. And this one, it looks like we have a McCormick Pure Vanilla. That's pretty cool.
Number 2.
Number 2, what is this? Ore-Ida Golden Crinkles. It's fries. I'm sorry, I will take B-roll shots of this after everything's said and done, because this camera, or my phone, is just kind of crap when it comes to recording from the front-facing camera. So we have a pizza Lunchable. That looks pretty cool. Well, to us, it looks pretty cool. You just see blurriness. There it is right there. Pretty freaking cool. And we have this right here. It is taco seasoning. Pretty cool. Here is like a list of things that you could get. Possibilities in this you can get. Pretty cool. Yeah, I mean, the price point on these, I thought they were cheaper than they were, but they were like $15. It's pretty crazy. But I guess this is the new craze. Everybody's into this right here. Next is the spiciest meatball. We have the My Hero mystery minis, which is pretty freaking awesome. I wasn't actually going to come here to try to get them, but I'm in a Facebook group, and I also subscribe to some people on YouTube, and they actually they just went on a pop hunt just to see what they can find, and they went to Hot Topic and they actually found some mystery minis. So shout out to Fistful of Gems. I know you're subscribed to me and I'm subscribed to you, so I know I watched your video. I like it. Hopefully I have the good luck that you had with yours. So let's go ahead and crack these and see what's inside. You go ahead and open one, and then I'll open one. Where's the scissors?
These are the exclusive too.
Yeah, these are Hot Topic exclusive, and the ones from Box Lunch are exclusive as well. The ones I'm getting is just the common case, so nothing too spectacular going on there. Here we go. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. We are hoping to get the Tomura Sugar Rocky because that's the most rarest one, I believe, besides the exclusives. But he's the most rarest one, is the Tomura. Pretty cool. Let's go ahead and crack it.
Him too. 172.
Oh yeah, and Todoroki, the glow-in-the-dark Todoroki. That's, woo. Go ahead and open it. Go ahead and show him. Oh crap. Sweet. We got Froppy. Heck yeah. And she is a 1 and 6 variant, so pretty much a common one. Pretty cool nonetheless. Do not have her. This is my first ever My Hero Mystery Mini. Pretty freaking cool. Alright, so here we go. Cracking this one. Alright. Bam. Oh, sweet. We got All Might. Does their heads turn? I don't think they turn. But there we have All Might. Really freaking sweet. Holy crap, dude. Woo! Oh, did you get one? What'd you get? Oh my god. Oh, you got Shota Aizawa. Heck yeah. Pretty cool.
It looks weird.
I'm definitely going to be getting duplicates because, like I said, I'm getting a case and I'm going to be cracking those on the channel as well. So, bam. Our first dupe. Froppy. Which I'm not mad because she does look like, she does have a cool sculpt. And these are pretty huge. They seem like too big for a mystery mini. I don't know, is it just me? But they look pretty huge. Pretty freaking sweet. Our first dupe is a Froppy. Not mad, not mad. Those were all the ones that we picked up at Hot Topic. We're getting ready to hit the Box Lunch bag right here. It's got 3 more in there. And we got these for a killer deal. Usually they're like $7, $8 a piece. So they had the table where you can get 2. You buy 2 and you get 1 free. And we had a $5 coupon code. So we used that and it ended up being like $12. So that was pretty cool. So yeah, we almost got 3 for almost the price of 1. Oh, hope for something more rare though. That'd be pretty cool if we did get something rare, because then we wouldn't have to chase the common or the exclusive. Oh, I think it's another Froppy.
It is.
Oh no.
She's heavy, so
I think this one's a Froppy.
Oh no, you really think it's a Froppy?
Yeah, I think I felt her goggles. Ah, it is. Oh man, we got 4 of them now.
Ooh, not a dupe.
Oh, sweet. Holy crap. This one is, oh, she's the rare one, right? She is. She is. It is. Holy crap.
1 in 12?
1 in 12. We got, oh my god. We got Ochaka Uraraka. Really freaking sweet. She's a 1 in 12. She's one of the exclusives, so heck yeah. I thought she had like a beard or something, but it's like writing on her chin. You can't tell. Oh my gosh. I have to do B-roll on this because it does not do it justice. We did make out somewhat of like a bandit. We got Aizawa, we have Froppy here, we have All Might. Nothing too rare, but we did get an exclusive. We have Ochaka Uraraka. That is pretty freaking sweet. Like I said, I got another case coming in, or I've got a case coming in, so hopefully that comes in soon enough. That is it. That's all we have for you today. I'd like to thank you for clicking and watching. Be sure to give this video a like, a comment, and a subscribe. Question of the video today is, have you cracked any of the My Hero mystery minis? Leave your comments down below. On behalf of the Owl's Nest, I'll see you flock of collectors in the next one.